Okay, so now we've got the login.html, we need to get the login.js. So you should have this already. And again, this looks very, very similar to the other one. Okay, almost exactly the same. We've got to the sign up, and you'll notice that all of these are all exactly the same. We don't need to do anything. We've got a submit button, we've got a gather, we've got a validate, and we've got a send. Okay, and that's, you've got to remember that. That's what we're doing. So the BTN submit, I don't need to change anything except I changed the script to the login script. Okay, so it's going to log in instead of sign up. So on sign up, then this went to sign up. I just need to make sure the path's the same. So let's get the right path. So it says that. So in my login.js, then I want it to be the same path. PHP account. So going to the right place. So that's fine. That's there. That's submit. Gather data. I should only have 2 fields to gather. So what have I called them on login? I've called it PWD1 there. So let me make sure I've got here. Now I don't need to do, I'm not going to do all this validation again. So I'm going to comment that out. Star and here star slash. So I just want to gather up the details. I'm just doing that, just test to show you here. You can do the validation. Should be the same as the other validation from before. So this is just PWD1. Okay, and it returns the user details. And then this, I'm not doing the validation, I'm sending the login and it's going there. It's pretty much doing the same thing. And this, when it comes back, I want to send this to a different place. So pages. So I'm going to make a pages to show the books. Okay, so I'm going to call it books.html. Okay, so I'm going to be in pages. I'm going to make it go to books.html, which we haven't got yet. So we'll copy that one and we'll paste that in there. So it's actually in there, and then rename it books. Just make sure it looks different. If I go to books.html, I'll just show all the books. Okay, so save that. So we'll come back to that. That's where it's going to go to. It's going to receive a web token. So we're going to get a web token back, and we're going to set that as session storage. So we've got that token. So every time we send something, we can get it back. Okay, we can use our web token to access the database again. We don't need to log in and send login details. We're sending the token back. Okay, so it's a bit like buying a ticket. By logging in, we buy that ticket. So that's the login.js done and completed. Okay, same process, submit, click, gather data, send it. Okay, and we get something back.